Let me welcome in Akshay Bhagwat as well, Senior VP at JM Financial. And we also have Lancelot with us. Akshay, let me come to you first. We've seen, brokerages will be, largely benefited from this particular move. But I just want to ask you your view on, the brokerage stocks, the angel ones of the world. How are you viewing these particular stocks on the charts? And is there any interesting opportunity there right now?
Yeah, so good afternoon. Well, on the price structure of Angel One, there is a small hurdle or a technical price resistance which I see at the levels of 2450. So that's the immediate hurdle which the stock has to surpass for any momentum regain. At the current levels of 2315 where it trades, it might be a bit choppy in the range of 2250 on the lower end and probably around 2400 on the upper end. But if you are positioned slightly on the medium to longer term with a time horizon of a couple of months, then the stock has reversed from a very important value support of 2000, and that puts it in a very strong footing. So positionally, I'm looking for targets of around 2650 to 2700 with a 3-month horizon. So positive from medium to long term. For short term, really there is no trade setup. The momentum is above a certain level which I gave.
Well, Akshay, coming to you, any mid-sized banks that you are finding opportunity in?
Well, these are more of trading bets with a time horizon of 2 to 3 months. So if you look at Federal Bank, really it was one of the moving, mid-cap banks in prior month. That's last few trading sessions. And the stock has seen a good base formation around the levels of 180. And this base formation and recovery has seen almost after a dull phase of last 3 months where some profit taking was noted in this stock. Overall, the technical setup is pretty healthy, which signals revisit of levels of 215, which was seen 4-5 months back, and longer term investments can still see the stock selling higher for 230 plus. So Federal Bank is one name which you can consider from a slightly longer term perspective, and City Union Bank is the other name which you can look forward to. It's been mostly range bound, but overall the price technical structure makes me believe that this stock once again can make a comeback for levels of around 180 with a time horizon of around 5 to 6 months.
Got that view, Akshay. Akshay, let me come to you first on DMart because while there has been a lot of fundamental view on the chart, does it suggest to get in at this particular point of time?
Well, absolutely, yes, if you're a long-term investor, because if you look at the journey of the stock from 2022, there has been multiple instances where the stock has rebounded very strongly from the levels of 3300 to 3400. The rebound has seen the stock go all the way up till 5000 plus. Lately, if you see the short-term setup, the small range which the stock has been defining since the beginning of 2025 is the base of 3400, and there is some resistance which time and again is seen at the levels of 4200. So 4200 is a momentum point if you're a short-term trader. Whenever it surpasses, you may see strong momentum regaining back in this counter. And until then, if you're a long-term investor, you can accumulate the stock within the range of around 3500 to 4200 where it currently trades. So longer term, bullish on the stock with a base of 3400.
Got the view, Akshay. But
well, thank you, Lancelot and Akshay, for joining this conversation. Viewers, this is all the time we have on the show. Stay tuned to NDTV Profit.